Hey everyone, so I think I figured it out. This is the match and move video transition thing. Okay, so let's get started. Put me down here. Okay, so um, right here, I have what I'm going to share. So I made these and they are all grouped together, so they'll move together. That's what I was having a hard time with figuring that out. And then I also put this in here because I'm going to be moving this as well. So this and these are what I'm going to be using in every one. So, and let's see here. So then I just, did coloring and stuff like that. And so I'm going to show you the video and then I'm going to walk you through. So I'm just matching up the picture with its brand board. And then the call to action at the end. Okay, so what I did is I just duplicated this video or this image and brought it over here. Next one. Okay, here we go. So then I brought it over here and then I put it how I want it to be set up. Like this is what I want to be moving every single time. So then next one is I'm going to duplicate it again. So duplicate this again. And then you're going to bring up, so then you're going to bring up the image that you want to emphasize for that one. So this is the one I want to emphasize. And then I added this and this to it. And then I did this for each image. So the next one is her. Let me bring this a little bit. There we go. Okay. And then same right here, same right here. Let's move this a little bit. Okay. Okay, so each one gets their own page, okay? Now, how this all comes together is these little buttons in between the video part of it. So, click on in between right here, and you're going to go up here. It's going to go transitions, and you're going to click on the match and move, okay? That's what you want, match and move. And then it's going to match and move this one. So you have to make sure you have match and move in between all of them. Okay. All right. So you saw that I have match and move in all of them. And then you see how the time is 3 points. So I just kept it, except for this one. Let me fix that one. So 3, and I want this to apply to all pages. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. It's just easier. Okay. And then this one, for the call to action one, I just put some animation in it. It doesn't go with the There's no other images that are from the very beginning. So, but I did want to animate it a bit. So I did photo rise and well, let me do sleek. I like that one. Okay. All right. And I do not want it to apply to all, just that one. Okay. So now let's go back to the beginning and watch this. Okay. So you see here, I have all of them. Then I put them right here. Then move, match and move, match and move, match and move, so on and so on. So that is how you do that. Okay, and let's see here. What else was I going to show you? It's just basically duplicating each. You create your first page, duplicate it, put it the way you want it, and then keep going. Okay, so I hope that helps. And thank you. It's Teach It Thursday here.